solve 3 to the power x plus x equals 30. Let's look at the solution. So given 3 to the power x plus x equals 30, we can move the x to the other side of the equation, which will give us 3 to the power x equals 30 minus x. With 30 minus x, our mind here, or our focus is to move the power of x from the base of 3. And how do we do that? To remove x, all that we need to do is just take a power of 1 over x to get rid of the x. So I have 3 to the power x all raised to the power 1 over x equals 30 minus x all raised to the power 1 on x. From this, the x and the x, they take care of each other, leaving 3 to the power 1 equals 30 minus x all raised to the power 1 over x. This is 1, which can be written as 3 to the power 3 over 3. 3 over 3 is 1. Is equal to 30 minus x all raised to the power 1 over x. From this, we can write 3 raised to the power 3 all raised to the power 1 over 3. Now, what is here? 3 times 1 is 3, which gives us the same 3 on 3. From this is equal to 30 minus x all raised to the power 1 over x. 3 raised to the power 3, this is 27. All raised to the power 1 on 3 is equal to 30 minus x all raised to the power 1 over x. From this, we are seeing 27 raised to the power 1 over 3 equals 30 minus x all raised to the power 1 over x. Here, the base and the base compare, the exponent and then the exponent you also compare. If you are comparing the base, I have 27 is equal to 30 minus x. Finding x, you can say x is equal to 30 minus 27. X is equal to 3. When we want to compare the exponent, 1 over 3 is equal to 1 over x, which we conclude as x being equal to 3. We can verify if x is equal to 3. Let's see if it satisfies the equation 3 to the power x plus x is equal to 30. Now, with x being equal to 3, meaning 3 to the power 3 plus 3, is this giving us our 30, 27 plus 3, which is equal to 30. See you in the next one. Have a good day.